Hey guys, RoonPicker here from another lock picking video, and today I got another challenge lock from you. This one's from Reid-Whitt, and we're going to be picking the powder keg challenge lock. Now, I don't know what keyway this is. I forgot to look at it beforehand. I'll put in the description what keyway it is when I find out, but that's the keyway right there. There's no engravings on the lock, and we do have the mummified key. And because I know that there needs to be at least 6 changes, so to qualify as a challenge lock, either we have a hand cut key or we have like custom pins and counter milling and stuff like that in here. Now, because this is kind of a tight keyway, I would usually use a 15 thousandths, but my custom hook that I got broke, but it still has a little bit of a lip in it. Is that focus? Yeah, okay. There's a little bit of a hook left in it. I'm gonna see if it's still usable to pick locks. Hopefully I can salvage it. Otherwise, I might as well get these out as backup, just in case I need them. This one as well. Come here. There we go. So let's get this in the vise and see if we can get this open today. I have not, oh, it might help if I get a tension bar. I've not picked this yet, obviously, because we still have the mummified key. What am I looking for? Tension bar. 40 thousandths, looks like it'll work. Yep, okay. All right, let's get the picking. Still working on my camera setup, but I am getting better. So hopefully, yeah, click there. Click on 2, maybe 3. This is not working out too good. I don't know. Like I said, I'm hoping that I can salvage this for something because I paid for it. If not, maybe I'll turn it into a decoding knife or something. This is not working out. Okay. Just wanted to see, guys. Like I said, click out of 1. Click out of 3. Got 2 false set. Go back. I got 2. 3 still has a little bit more. Looks like we got something on 4, but it's a high reach, it looks like. Looks like we still got something on 1, maybe. There we go. Getting into a false set. We're slowly getting deeper and deeper, which is pretty cool. There's no real ledge to pick off for this lock, except for this one, but you're right on top of the key pin if you use this ledge. Oh, there we go. Okay. Wow, that was sudden. The pin in the back just need a little bit of a nudge. All right, folks. We are picked. Let's gut this thing and see what's inside. And while I'm at it, I think, like I said, I'm gonna turn this into a decoding knife. I think that's gonna be the smart thing to do with this. Okay. And then this is what's left over. Sorry for the kind of break. This is what's left over from when I was picking that P600 ASA. There we go. You guys can see, focus. There we go. Look how mangled that thing is. So this thing is on its last legs as well. But I did order a new one of these. All right, let's get this open. That's some pretty good bidding, actually, for that keyway. I'm pretty impressed. You guys can see that, hopefully. So we've got a lot of highs and some lows, which is pretty nice. And let's see. Wow, the key works flawlessly. There's no snagging whatsoever. That is awesome. Okay, let's get this stuff out of the way. Get our pinning tray out. Key can go right here for now. Phillips screwdriver. So I've been getting a lot better on my being in frame for close-ups. Now the next challenge is going to be staying in frame while I showcase the pins. That's the next thing I need to work on, because I don't do pin close-ups very often unless I'm actually filming, you know. I guess I could take one apart and just practice. That might be a smart thing to do. Oh, I probably should have shimmed this. Shoot. Okay, phew. Let me shim this with the shims that Dusty sent me, just because I don't want to have a catastrophe. And I bent that shim, so I'm assuming that means that that one is no longer usable for what we want anymore. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And nothing has been done to the cores, no counter milling, no threading. This is just a standard core, nothing special about it. But we do have some serrated key pins and looks like spool tops. Just gonna organize these real quickly. There we go. And let's go ahead and get our driver pins out. Don't know if there was an attempt to vary spring strength, so I'm just going to take them out individually. Wow, that's a nice looking pin. Pretty crazy. Maybe. Looks like this one was slightly cut. The spring, I mean. fish him out. There we go. There's spring. Yeah, so he did vary spring strength because there's different size springs in here. So good thing we were being cautious. That's a long spring. Okay, let me organize these to how they were. Alrighty, and there we go. Alrighty, and any threading on this? Let's check. No threading, nothing on the Bible. Okay, here comes our test. Can I get this? Stay in frame, still in frame, still in frame. Well, there we go. Oh, dang it. I was so close. Gotta be careful where I put my fingers next time. All right, so here are the pins. You can see we got some really nice looking pins, serrated and spring variation in spring length. Here is our key. This is the Bible. And you can see that nothing was done with this. It's all the same. So that is, focus, that is the powder keg challenge lock. Hopefully you guys like this content. Like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.